So I guess the first thing I should say is please don't try any of that at home. I did not actually drink all of that coffee. And the second is welcome. My name is James. I'm one of about 4 people that work on the CrowdRender project, which is a distributed rendering add-on for Blender. Helps make rendering faster in Cycles and Eevee. But the real reason we wanted to release this video was, well, one, to celebrate Blender 4 and the Wing It short film coming out, which you might have noticed we parodied the soundtrack in the beginning of the video. And the other reason is, well, whenever there's a new release of Blender, all of us add-on developers have the fear of God put into us because of the changes that may come and that might surprise us. Now actually I have been working on supporting Blender 4 for quite a while, and if you go to our website, for which there is a link in the description below, you'll find a link to our download section, and you'll find that we've actually already updated our software to support Blender 4.0. We've been testing it for a while, so if you want to try us out, you can go and have a look there. A little bit more about what we do. Well, we're developers basically, and we came up with this idea to help people easily build a render farm in the least amount of fuss and hassle so that you can render faster. And if you've never ever done that before, basically all a render farm is 1 or 2 computers connected via a network, and then you can distribute the rendering of either an animation or a single frame in the case of our software pretty easily and speed up the whole process. So have you ever been curious about building a render farm and thought to yourself, oh no, that sounds like it's way too difficult? Really? You can do it with 2 laptops in our software. It's actually quite easy to do. We've got a whole bunch of documentations and tutorials both on our website and on our YouTube channel, which you're currently watching this video on, so do have a bit of a look around. You'll probably find that it's a little bit easier than you thought it would have been. And if you're curious about building your own render farm, we do actually have a free version of our software available, which should support somewhere up to Blender 3.3. We've just updated that as well because the free version was a little bit old, so given that we're now supporting Blender 4.0, we've made some updates to quite a few things, including our Docker containers, but there's a bit too much already in this video to go talking about all that stuff. Docker containers, if you're interested, are really good if you want to render on things like Amazon Web Services. If you create your own account, you can use our Docker container to quite easily start an instance and use their hardware, which is quite substantial, I've heard. Yeah, like thousands of computers, so that would be cool. Anyway, ask. We have an email address if you want to ask questions about that, if you're interested. We're quite a friendly bunch. We try and help people that come by our website and ask questions, so see you later.